In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about printing a Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the form and select the three-dotted icon next to your user account logo up in the top right, and then go down and select where it says print. And then you can adjust the printer over here on the left side where you want it to print to, or add a printer even. If you want to save it as a PDF, you can do that too, and then just select save to save it to your computer, whatever your preference is, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.